Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson number 16, data handling. In day-to-day life, we come across many situations involving various kinds of tables consisting of numbers, figures, names, etc. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, we used to go through many tables, okay, which is consisting of numbers, like figures, like names, etc. So, for example, collection of numerical information on different aspects of a state, such as population, wealth, births and deaths, etc. Okay, so if we will take an example of different states, population, wealth, birth rates, death rates, etc. This tables gives information in the form of numbers, which is called data. So what this table will give us, it will give us information in the form of a numbers. Okay, so population in the form of a number we will get, wealth in the form of a number, births we will get in the form of a number, and death rates we will get in the form of a number. So what that number is called data. A data is a collection of numbers gathered to get some information. So all data are collected and gathered to get some information. So it will provide us some information. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. So what is the process of data handling? It will first gather the information, then record it and presenting information in a way that it will helpful to others. So process of data handling, first specifying and planning, then collecting data, processing and representing, then interpreting and discussing. Our life is surrounded by numbers like marks you scored, runs you made, your height, your weight. So this all will come in numbers. All these numbers are nothing but data. So what they are? They are called data. Types of graphical representation. So what are the types? So first is telechart or frequency chart. Second one is pictograph, then bar graph, then double bar graph, then histogram, then pie chart. But in fourth standard we will study about telechart and pictograph. So first, what is telechart? Telecharts are used to collect data quickly and efficiently. Means with help of telechart we will collect the data fastly and very accurately. Filling in a chart with marks representing numbers is faster than writing out words or figures. Okay, in telechart just we have to do marks. Okay, so it will make faster in comparing we are writing out words or figures, and the data is collected into subgroups immediately, making it easy to analyze. So this is the mark that we will use in the telechart. While preparing a table using tally marks, four vertical lines crossed by a standing line make a group of 5. So this is the four vertical line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one and the other crossed by a standing line. It will make a group of 5. It indicates means 5. So tally marks for numbers 1 to 10. So for 1 we will write 1 tally mark, then for 2 we will do 2 marks, then for 3 1 2 3 marks, then for 4 1 2 3 4, then for 5 1 2 3 4 vertical lines, then one standing line. Okay, so this will make a group of 5. Then for 6 1 2 3 4, 4 vertical line, then standing crossed standing line, it will make a 5. Then again we will write 1, means 5 plus 1 6. Then for 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then crossed standing line means it will make 5. Then 6, 7. For 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical 4 lines. Then crossed standing line it will make 5. Then 6, 7, 8. More 1 line means it will make a 8. Then for 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertical line. Then crossed standing line means it will make a 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Now for 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 crossed standing line it will make a 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. And for here also for group of 5 we will do a crossed standing line means 5. So 5 plus 5 we will get 10. So this way we will do tally marks. Now we will see one example of tally mark. Organize the following marks in a class assessment means in class test in a tabular form. So your marks are given, so we have to make it in a tabular form with help of tally marks. So first we will make a table. First we will write marks, then tally marks, then frequency. So first we have to find out the smaller number from the test mark. So which is the smaller number? That is 1. So we will write here 1. Then after 2. So we will write 2. Then after 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. So your greater number is 9. So we will write marks 1 to 9. So now we have to do a tally mark. So first mark is 4. So in marks 4 we will do one tally mark. Okay. Now second one is 6. So in mark 6 we will do one tally mark. Then third one is 7. So in 7 marks we will do one tally mark. Then next one is 5. So in 5 marks we will do one tally mark. Then next one is 3. So we will do in tally mark 1. So next one is 5. So in 5 marks we will do the second tally mark. Okay. So next one is 4. So in 4 marks we will do second tally mark. Then next one is 5. So in 5 marks we will do the third tally mark. Then next one is 2. So in 2 marks we will do one tally mark. Then next one is 6. So we will do one tally mark in 6. The next one is 2. So we will do in 2 marks second tally mark. Then next one is 5. So we will do the fourth one tally mark. The next one is 1. So we will do in 1 marks one tally mark. Then next one is 9. So we will do in 9 marks one tally mark. Then next one is 6. So we will do third one tally mark in 6. Then next one is 5. So we already done 4 tally marks. So now we have to do the fifth one. So how we will do? We will cross the standing line means it will make a 5. The next one is 8. So we will do one tally mark in 8. Then next one is 4. So we will do the third tally mark in 4. The next one is 6. So we will do the fourth tally mark in 6. The next one is 7. So we will do the second tally mark in 7. Now we have to write the frequency. So how many students get 1 mark? Means one tally mark means 1. Now how many students get 2 marks? So 2 tally mark means 2. Then how many students get 3 marks? That is 1 tally mark. So we will write 1. Now next mark is 4. So how many students got that 4 marks? That is 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3. So how many students got 5 marks? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the cross standing line that is 5 means 5 students. Now next mark is 6. So how many students got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. Now next mark is 7. So how many students got 7? 2. So we will write 2. Then next mark is 8. So how many students got 8? 1. So we will write here 1. Now next mark is 9. So how many students got 9? So 1 tally mark. So we will write 1. So this way we have to do tally marks. So now next topic is pictograph. Now what is pictograph? Pictorial representation of a numerical data using picture symbols is called the pictograph of the data. So in pictograph we will use a picture symbols for representing the numerical data. So it is called a pictograph of the data. So for example, mode of transport, number of students. So in instead of writing in numerical data number of students, we have done a symbol. Okay, so symbol for the students. So mode of transport means how many students are using bus, cars, walking, bicycle for going to school. So your key is given, one smiley face represent three children, means one smiley face equal to three children. It will indicate three children. Okay, so how many students are using bus? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, means total 7 smiley faces are there, and each indicates three children. So what we will do, we will multiply 7 3s are 21. So how many students are using? 21 students are using bus. The next one is car. So how many smiley faces are there? Symbols are there. 1 2 3 4. So how many students are using? So here 4 faces are there. So we have to multiply by 3. Each represent 3 children. So 4 3s are 12. So how many students are using car? 12 children. Now by walking. So here how many symbols are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 symbols. Each symbols indicates 3 children. So we will multiply 6 3s are 18. So how many students are going by walking? 18 students. Now next one is bicycle. So how many students are using bicycle? So here 3 symbols, 1 2 3. Each symbols represent 3 children. So how many children are using bicycle? So 3 3s are 9. So 9 students are using bicycle. Okay, so this way we will make in a pictograph. Thank you.